Alright, so this video is about this product that I have purchased recently offline, and the product is this Halonix Prime speaker bulb. That is, this bulb has a inbuilt speaker in it. Yes, it's a speaker bulb. It's a 9-watt LED bulb, and it's a Bluetooth enabled LED bulb. Yes, that is, it can be controlled with any phone that has Bluetooth connection. Well, regarding the price, the actual MRP that you is 649, but I got this product for rupees 500 offline. You can buy this product online. I'll give you the link in the description. The bulb has one more feature, that is, it has two modes. That is, one is a bright light mode that glows with 9 watt, and after switching it off, if you immediately switch it on again, it glows with the dim light mode. Here you can see. So and if you and if your bulb is paired with your Bluetooth connection, you can play your favorite music in both the modes. So not wasting any time, let's just open the product. So you get this user manual inside. Here we'll get the instructions how to operate this bulb. Also you get this warranty card of 1 year. You can see 1 year warranty. So this is the bulb. This is the bulb. So as you can see, the bulb is very well designed. It's a very well designed bulb. It has a stylish body. Here you can see the sound doesn't come from a single, doesn't come from a particular hole as such. Rather, the sound comes out, or it's spread evenly due to this circular metal frame which runs throughout. So let me just insert the bulb. Right. So I'll just turn it on. Now watch this carefully. I'll just turn on the bulb. So it glows with the 9 watt. So the bulb is right now glowing with the 9 watt. So immediately after turning it on, you will get to hear a sound. That's a beep sound. So I'll just start my Bluetooth pairing. I'll show you. Turning on your Bluetooth connection, you will get to see this Halonix BT speaker. So I'll just click over here.
Your Halonix speaker bulb is set and it's ready to use.
So it says your Halonix speaker bulb is set and it's ready to use. So I'll just play a song. Playing this song from YouTube. So I'll just lower the volume right now. Okay, so you're hearing this song in the 9 wattage mode. Now watch this carefully. I'll turn off the bulb and I'll turn it on within 3 seconds. Now this is
Your
the
Halonix speaker bulb is paired and it's ready to use.
now this is the 0.5 watt mode. This is the dim light mode. So you see, immediately after turning the bulb off, and if you turn it on again within 3 seconds, the bulb glows with the 0.5 watt, and this is the dim light mode. And after turning it on, you will again hear that same beep sound, and it will again say that your Halonix speaker bulb is ready and it's ready to use. So you can also play your song in this mode too. So I'll just play the same song. I'll just continue with it. So this is the song. You're hearing this song, you're hearing this audio in this mode too. This is the full volume mode. I just lower the volume. Okay, so that's all. What you get to hear is, it's a clear sound, it's a natural clean sound. The speaker doesn't have this bass property in it. Also the volume intensity is excellent. It's an awesome product, guys, and I would recommend everyone who's watching this video to buy this product. It's worth buying. Moreover, this bulb serves three purposes. One is the 9 watt glow that you get. You can do your activities like reading, writing, etc. Excellent white glow. Secondly, you can use this as your night bulb. And third is, you can play songs in both the modes. This bulb is also for those who are very fond of music. So why buy a Bluetooth speaker when you're getting that in your bulb itself? Isn't that amazing? One more thing about this bulb doesn't have the memory function. That is, suppose when you first turn on your bulb, you get to see the 9 watt mode, and then you turn off the bulb, and then you don't turn it on again. So after some time, if you turn on the bulb again, you do not get the dim light mode. It again starts from the beginning, that is, you get the 9 watt mode. Okay, so alright, that's all for now. That's all about this product. We'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.
Your Halonix speaker bulb is paired and it's ready to use.